slide.
Two tubby tubby.
Nowhere. Where you going?
Here you go, Lucas.
That was a half. That wasn't even a whole.
Yeah. All the way up. Come on.
Go, Lucas. He says, I'm too busy looking at everything.
Come on.
Say, walk, Lucas.
Get him on.
Walk, Lucas.
Come on. You got to move your feet. There we go. Ah, come on. Good job. Slobber. Slobber face.
Okay, turn him around back to Aunt Lala now.
All right. Oh, big hugs.
Oh,
Oh.
back to Aunt Lala.
Oh my goodness. Stand up. Come on.
Move them feet.
Come on. But I want her. Come on. You can do it. You can do Ah!
You see that?
Oh, those were nice steps.
You can't do that. That's a stick that can hurt you, see?
Those were nice steps.